Still want me, and we will never be apart. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul for you from one of my favorite brands. House of CB has been a favorite brand of mine for such a long time, and it's one of those brands that I always go to when I want a super hot night out kind of dress. So I know I can just rely on them. I know they will have something that will make me feel fabulous. So I have picked out a couple of outfits for you guys. There's some coats in there. They have the most amazing winter coat. So I'm very excited for the temperature to drop, which it's etching into autumn now. So I'm very excited to start wearing this. It's going to be my go-to coat. I have some super sexy dresses, some skirts, some blazers, everything. So let's get into it. So they have this in 3 different colors. They have like a really nice like brown chocolatey one. I feel like brown is having a moment. Like I feel like I've seen brown a lot and I quite like it. They also have like a creamy white one, but I picked up this one and it's like a pinky, like a muted pinky beige. Don't know what color to call it, but just feel the texture through the camera. It's so warm and snuggly. It is the most beautiful teddy coat. Like I honestly feel like if someone wore this next to me on the tube or something, I'd be like, can I hug you? It's just beautiful. It is long to the floor. How fabulous. Teddy bear coat to the floor. It's got this big collar, which I love. It has a really nice drapage to it. So at the back there's this like hanging like waist belt, and then it's right down to the floor. Super slouchy pockets in it. We love a good pocket. But yeah, just I want to pick it up in all the colours. I feel like I might do that. But just a beautiful coat for like autumn winter. And I think as well this colour, like even the brown and the creamy white, they're like very autumnal tones, like not full on black for like winter, but like etching into like that browny autumn like colour tone. So let's talk pink and fabulous. You know me, I am now fastly becoming queen of the pink dress. And I feel like this is going to be a dress with the pink fluffy shoes again, because that is just the way I'm feeling at the moment. I'm feeling pink and fluffy. So this dress, it's like pink. It's not baby pink, it's not bright pink, it is the colour pink. And I loved the boning, like the structure of the bodice bit, so it would sit really nicely. I actually wore it in my Dior video a couple of videos ago, and it is to the floor. You know me, love a floor length dress, but I love the slit in it. So as you walked, your leg would kind of like peep through, be like subtly sexy. And then it has this waistband to go around it, so you can really pinch it in around your waist. Beautiful shape. I just loved it. Like you cannot go wrong with this shape of dress. So here we have it, floor length pink dress. I mean, it's every girl's dream, right? I love the thick waistband around the middle. It's like super flattering up into this bodice. It ties just at the back, as you can see, or you could put it around the front, whichever like floats your boat. The bodice is really nice. It's not going to fall down or move. I feel very secure in it. And my favorite bit is the cheeky slit up the side, so you can be really discreet or you can be super sexy with it, depending on your vibe. This is the dress a little closer. You can see the movement of it. It's a really thick fabric as well, so you're not gonna have any VPL or see-through moments. Next, we have this skirt. I feel like this is a London Fashion Week outfit coming up. It is fabulous. I don't know if you can see, but it's like snakeskin. I know snakeskin is all over at the moment, but I like to like take things up a notch. So we have metallic snakeskin. I love it. It's kind of like military vibes, like the shape of it. So you've got the waistband, don't know if you can see, but it has like big huge pockets on the side with like buttons down. So even though it's metallic and snake print, it's kind of military kind of vibes. I loved it. Thought it would look fab like a white shirt or like something really simple like a black puller neck. Definitely feel like this might make the London Fashion Week wardrobe. OMG, this skirt is just everything I could ask for in a skirt. There is something about this brand that just gets like a woman's figure. Like it really pinches you in, like it's the perfect sizing. I've never like found a brand quite like this, but just look at this metallic skirt. You could wear it with a shirt, you could wear it with a knit. I've just paired it with this cami because we're going along the evening wear kind of vibes, but so many different ways you could wear this, and I think you'll be definitely seeing this at London Fashion Week because it's just so fabulous. This is one of those skirts that is going to catch everyone's eye. You can play it up, you can play it down, wear it with a shirt, wear it with a knit, any way you want to wear it. It's so fabulous. I love it. I love the way it pinches you in at the waist and then just curves around your hips. I love the pockets at the side as well, a little extra detailing just to make it a little bit more fabulous. So next we have something from like the latest collection from House of CB. It's like all khaki colours. There's another like little pinafore with a brown belt as well, which is just beautiful. I'll pop the picture here. But this one is a blazer, and I love blazers. There's just something about them. It's very Victoria Beckham inspired. But this is a blazer dress. The shoulders I thought were very powerful, and I love really counteracting something like this on a night out where everyone is dressed like very glam. Sometimes I love to mix it up, put my hair in a bun, wear something very like sophisticated and like out the box like this, and just look completely different to everyone else. Imagine this with like hair in a really high top knot, some like really cool ankle boots, and like not much to it at all. Even with some like clear aviators, that would look really cool. So it has these pockets here, buttons down the side, and like just finishes below the bum. So really nice style. Probably look cool with one of those waist belts I was on about in the Dior video. So this is the khaki dress on. I love it. I feel like it's a mix between a trench coat and a dress. I like the colour of it. It's very kind of like Burberry vibes. I just paired it with some thigh-high boots and this little black bag just to tie in the look. I love it. I feel like you could definitely wear this as like a little overcoat or something as well. I feel like the high shoulders really accentuate the small waist. I definitely find House of CB dresses to like really hook you around the waist, which is really flattering. This is the look a little closer. You can see how beautiful the shape of this trench coat is. It would actually work as a coat as well as a dress depending on what way you wanted to wear it. So next up I have something a little bit different, and I love things that are different, not being the same as everyone else and just thinking outside the box when it comes to fashion. So I saw this, and it's like it's off the shoulder, so like it would sit really nicely, and I love, it's probably the same kind of off the shoulderness that I have on right now. I love a collarbone, so it would sit really nicely up top, show a slight bit of cleavage but not much, and then it goes into this, probably really not doing it much justice here, then it goes into like this pleated skirt, so it has room for even a waist belt around the middle. So definitely something unusual, and then it tapers in the arm, so I cannot wait to see what this looks like on, because it looks really cool, like really designer, high-end kind of feel to it. So this is the shirt dress on. It's so different. I don't think anyone else would be wearing something like this. I love the sleeves. They're like almost Victorian kind of vibes, but also this kind of like dress, this off the shoulder, usually from like another brand, it would fall down and it would be really uncomfortable, but House of CB, they make so well that I don't feel uncomfortable in this at all. I love the pleated skirt of it as well. I just think it's really cute, something a bit different, and you could even dress it down for daytime with like woolly tights and like flat boots or something like that. So this one is your wow dress. Like if you want to walk into a room and make an impression, then this is 100% going to do it. It is red, like the type of red that is very, very, very sexy. I feel like there's something going on with men and red. I feel like every time I wear red, it just catches men's attention a lot more. I don't know what the scientific explanation is behind that. So it's this one shoulder. Love the asymmetricalness of this. I feel like that would look beautiful. It's got like gathered material. I love gathering on dresses because I feel like if something's skin tight, you really notice bumps and lumps, but if there's drapage, it really doesn't like show that off. I just think it's more flattering. And then down the side we have this huge slit, so it's just fabulous. I feel like I would wear this to the Oscars if I would ever go to the Oscars, but it's got a little skirt underneath it, so you're completely covered, but it's just super sexy. Like look at this. Let me try this on. Okay, so I am officially lady in a red. I feel so fabulous in this dress, and that is exactly what you want to feel on a night out. And I feel a little bit like Angelina Jolie with the leg. but look how divine this is. Just the way it like ruches round and then it ruches, gives you a little bit more of a booty than I have, which I like because of the ruching. The one sleeve as well, the asymmetric design, is such a beautiful design. It's such thick material as well, so I always feel really nice and secure in House of CB dresses. If you want a wow dress, I think we found it. It moves really nicely as well. This is the dress a little closer. You can see just how fabulous it is. Love a good ball gown. You can see underneath it has the skirt, so you don't feel like you're gonna flash or anything like that, but I love it. So next up I have a dress which is very, very me. I love stuff like this. So it's asymmetrical, and I love asymmetrical things because I feel like it just draws the eye to like different places. So it is got this beautiful bodice. White never shows up on camera, like up close, so you'll probably see it better on. But I loved it. Has like this asymmetrical like sweeping detail as well. So how beautiful would that be with like maybe a gold waistband around the middle as well. So let me try that on. This white dress is just everything. I feel like white is just such an elegant colour. I love the asymmetrical overlay to it. I think it draws the eye in a really nice place, and also the asymmetrical top as well. It's really nice. This is it a little closer. You can see the structured bodice a little bit better here. I love the waistband, bringing it in all the right places, and yeah, just a really beautiful, elegant, like sophisticated dress. So this next one is a white bandeau dress. It is high neck, which is something different to the rest of them in this haul, but I thought with your hair up, big gold earrings or something like that. This is the shape of it, so I think it's a really flattering shape. It goes down past the knee, so quite a long dress. It has this boning detail in it as well. I don't know if you can see, maybe if I pull it to the side. So it really will accentuate, so you can see how, I don't know if you can see, it goes in and out, so it will really accentuate like a woman's figure, so that will look beautiful on. I feel like I've never tried on a load of dresses from one place and felt like they all fitted so well. There's something about the structure of House of CB dresses that just fit your figure like a glove. Like this, I feel very Kim K in this dress. I feel like this is very something Kim Kardashian would wear, and I love the paneling in it. Look at the shape of this dress, like the structure in it. It has like this bone structure here that goes in and out, and it's just so beautiful. I mean, like, it's white and it's not even see-through. Like, the material is super thick. I love this type of collarbone. I feel like this collarbone is so elegant. I feel like I would probably roll my hair up with some big earrings and an off for the ball. This is it a little closer. You can probably see the structure paneling a little bit better here. I just feel like it fits like a glove. It's like spanky pants for my whole body. So next up I have this cute little body. It's like lace detailing. I think I'm definitely gonna have some nipple stickers in here, but I'm prepared. I have them. I wanted to recreate the look that they wore with the teddy coat on the website. I'll put it here because it was just so stunning. So I got the little like lace body, which I thought would look cute underneath like jumpers, like, you know, like this off the shoulder, and then have like the little bit of lace showing. I thought that would look really nice. Then I have the white wide leg trousers to go with it. They're really good quality material, so they are not see-through. They're lined as well, which is like perfect for white trousers, because I know a lot of trousers are see-through. I can vouch these are not see-through. It's all the way to the floor, really wide waistband. It has like this detailing down the side as well, which I really like. Love a bit of detailing. But yeah, I thought that would look really nice with this coat. Really wanted to recreate that look. So this is the body paired with the white wide leg trousers. Wide leg trousers aren't something that I wear too often, but I really like the style of them. It's something a little bit different. They have paneling down the side, which I love. I really like the contrast of the netting with the white. I think it works really nicely. So here I have just popped on the big teddy coat and some aviator sunglasses, some clear ones. I feel like this look is very Chloe Girl vibes, but I just adore this jacket. Like, I feel like I would be wearing it all the time. The colour, the texture, everything is just perfect for summer. This is the look a little closer, and I really love different fabrics. So I love that the lace, the white, the teddy bear, everything going on, it works perfectly together. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I think this has to be one of my favourite hauls to date. I love House of CB. I also love a very glam dress. As I always say, if I could wear a hot dress every day of my life, I really would. Just casually going to Tesco in my ball gown. I totally would. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. My Instagram is @TheLauraBlair. Come say hey over on there. I post lots more fashion on there, and you get to see my everyday life on my stories as well. So come say hey over there, and I'll see you soon. Bye.